you see it? When did you see it? You were taking a walk?
No.
Were you taking a walk when you found it? You sure you didn't?
Oh, it's kind of like
I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
because
It's a lot of lightning though, right? Ooh, look at it. Wow.
Is it gonna do anything to us?
No.
this is white. Lightning. It's called lightning. It's kind of lightning.
Called lightning?
Mm-hmm.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going?
And it says, what's white? That was like a white. Oh. I'm scared. Me too. I think it's gonna do something. What is it gonna do anything to us? Maybe it's gonna blow the plants out of the way. Then it's gonna wreck the whole wall. Maybe it's gonna have
I'm having a go inside. I'm scared.
it's gonna hack the whole world. It's gonna hack. It's gonna hack the trees and the whole garden.
You-
Even our
what?
home.
Hey, it's gonna what? The whole world?
It would just ruin our whole world.
Oh.
And that world, that house and that house and our house and that house over there.
That's a bad word.
Well, I hope not. I think we'll be fine.
It's gonna hack the whole world.
Pity.
Ooh,
You said a bad word.
look at the sky.
Oh my.
There's a lot of people out partying right now.
No, really.
Oh, downtown. Mm-hmm. Fiesta.
The neighbors are next door to our house. This way.
Next door How many next door neighbors do we have?
What do you think?
3?
Actually, maybe that would be
Technically
45.
2. Technically 2. You have
Maybe
one to
that
the
would be
left, one to the right.
45.
But I can argue that the neighbor right across the street is just as much the same. And that would make 3. So I'll give you that one. Critical thinking points.
Do we have any neighbors that are girls?
Celeste?
Well, yeah. I know that.
Well, she's a boy mom. Is that what you mean?
Yeah. I know
Little girls to play with. We've got a lot of boys on this street. And then you 3. So you'll probably make the boys very happy.
Huh?
Because little boys like to watch little girls.
Why?
Because little boys are little men, and you have to keep your eye on them.
Why?
Because they could be sneaky.
Ow.
I forget I said anything. I was just joking around, I guess. Okay.